Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn Microsoft Rewards points faster so you can redeem them for gift cards, Xbox Game Pass, games, and more. If you've ever wondered how people rack up points quickly, this will help you out. So first, Microsoft Rewards is based on 4 main activities: searching through Bing, browsing with Microsoft Edge, playing on Xbox, and shopping through the Microsoft Store. The more consistently you do these, the faster your points add up. Your earnings also depend on your rewards level. Everyone starts at level 1. If you earn at least 500 points in a month, you level up to level 2, which increases your earning limits. And if you earn 500 points per month and have an Xbox Game Pass subscription, you get level 3, which gives you the highest earning potential, especially when it comes to shopping rewards. One of the easiest ways to earn points fast is by simply searching. Use Bing for your internet searches on your PC and your phone. If you're at level 2, you can get points from both desktop and mobile searches every day, which adds up quickly. And if you use Microsoft Edge for those searches, you get even more points on top. Another quick way to earn points is through your daily sets. Every day, Microsoft gives you 3 small activities, usually a quick quiz, a poll, or a click-through search. Completing those keeps your daily streak going. The longer your streak, the bigger the bonus. After a while, your streak bonuses can give you a huge chunk of points just for staying consistent. There are also daily streak challenges that reward you simply for doing 3 Bing searches every day. If you keep it up for 10 days, you earn a Jigsaw token. Collect enough of these tokens and you can redeem them for a big point bonus, so this is an easy habit to maintain. At the start of each month, you'll notice a monthly set inside the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. These include small missions like answering quizzes or completing theme searches. Finishing the whole set unlocks a bonus reward at the end of the month. It doesn't take long and it's basically free points. Make sure you also scroll down to the More Activity section every day. Microsoft refreshes these daily with new little challenges that take about 10 to 20 seconds each. They don't affect your streak, but they do boost your points. And if you have an Xbox, this is where you can seriously speed things up. Just by playing certain games, checking the Game Pass section, or completing weekly and monthly Xbox challenges, you can earn reward points while gaming. Combine this with Game Pass and you'll see your progress move a lot faster. Finally, if you shop through the Microsoft Store, your level affects how many points you earn for dollars spent. Level 1 gives you the least, level 3 gives you the most. So if you ever plan to buy Xbox credit, games, Surface accessories, or digital items, doing it through Microsoft Rewards helps you earn while you spend. So the real key to earning Microsoft Rewards fast is consistency. Use Bing Daily, complete your daily sets and monthly sets, check for bonus activities, and if you're a gamer, make use of your Xbox tasks. Once you build these into your routine, your points start stacking up without much effort. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.